All right, very well. Good morning, guys, and this is our fourth day in daily live trading that I have made for you since a few days ago, and hopefully we are getting enough strength, all right? Getting enough strength to focus on the next few months, right, to finish our episode in the seasons. The season is Smart Trader Programs. It's a Smart Forex Trading, live trading in English version. So basically, this is the first time that I put my commitment to help you on Forex trading itself. All right, and thank you so much for guys from Brazil, especially that who speak Portuguese and somehow try to translate into English because you're not, you know, use English as main language, right? Yeah, thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your support. And we are starting now. I don't know whether you guys up to it this morning. I mean, I can see nobody here. Maybe I give a wrong a a wrong link. I think that I've given the right link. I've already checked it. All right. Good morning, and I'm going to start soon. I'm going to check my reply chats first because it's important that maybe you have sent me some feedback but I didn't realize it's there. Then it's important for me to engage with you because the whole game for this live training is meant to be two ways of engagements, right? I think I have the right link. Hey Sus, good morning Sus. Wow, Sus, how's the elections in the Jakarta? Oh, not Jakarta, it's Indonesia, right? How Indonesia scenarios, politics scenarios there? Jokowi versus who? Huh? Jokowi versus who? All right, I'm gonna start with something I just read in the Telegram chat. Diego said for GBP USD, he's keen on selling GBP USD. So let's see how on the GBP USD itself, right? How was your day? They are good today? It's good. Oh, Prabowo, right? Prabowo versus Jokowi. So you think who's gonna win the elections in Indonesia? Good morning, Azran. Good morning. Very good morning, guys. Thank you so much for having me as your morning partners every morning, right? Not so early morning, but somehow in the mid morning. So it's very nice. It's a privilege as well because I can, hear, been there in your life. So it's quite a privilege as well in another angle from my perspective, right? Yeah. Oh, Jokowi. Oh, so Jokowi still win the elections. All right. Thank you so much for the update. All right. So I for GBPSD, Diego said Diego keen on selling GBPSD, but we look on the analysis angle first, right? Analysis angle first is whether is focus on major trend or minor trend. So, all right, so we started, right? Good day, just starting day. How is your day? I just started my day, just a few hours, like 2 3 hours, right? 3 hours. My day is good, very good, right? I like to start with the reading books, lots of motivations books, of course, also in the financial market books, and also lots of, motivation songs, right? That's very important to put our state in the good state. Right. So focus major trend or minor trend, right? So in this case, all right, I'm going to discuss with Daigo. So Daigo said that you're going to sell on the GBP all right, pound dollars. Okay, so which time frame that you are referring to? Which time frame that you are referring to? All right, which time frame you are referring to? You are referring to which time frame? So that's important for us to determine which trading time frame we are using. Right, that's the first one. You need to understand this. All right, so they're gonna say hash one, all right, for the hash one. So let's see on the hash one, 1 hour. All right, for an hour sell, all right, I think it's a, of course, this is a good sell position. This is a candlestick continuation, TRZ CPZ. Obviously, this is TRZ CPZ. This is the candlestick continuations, and this is the 1, 2, 3 EC359 has completed. Right? Yes, you have a good observations there. This indeed a sell for the hash one. Very good, right? Good morning, Shiro. Very good. That's a good position. This is a very nice position, right? So by the way, you need to understand that after you choose, right? After you have choose your trading time frame, you need to look on bigger time frame, because we have to know that as forex trader we must always respect bigger time frame. We must always respect bigger time frame, right? So in your case, the decision one are very clean, very good, and you have sell here. If you have sell position, you have sell position, but you need to refer on bigger time frame. So which bigger time frame we are referring to? So we are referring to the hash one, right? So this is your position, basically your position. This is how to validate it, right? So go for the hash 4 hours, and you can see 4 hours is also in the sell position, but it's not completed the 359 yet, right? You see, it's not completed 359 yet before to coming down. But you say for what? Maybe for this case, you can entry and exit here, because the 4 hours is not completed yet. For me, I'm going to wait for 4 hours setup. It's better than one hour. But if you are very short line, very short time trading, so you need to exit on this part, right? This is like 6 pip, 5 below 10 pip. Hello Amirul, good morning. So it's been a while, I'm not seeing you in the YouTube channels, all right, where you have been, or you are busy with the elections in Indonesia as well. It seems like the key, right? I think you have good point, because H1 is supported by daily. You can see daily, this is the gap between the open price and the this is the open price and the nearest MA. You can see this is a gap. I think you clearly can see this is the gap, right? So this is called CPZ1, right? This situation called CPZ1. That means it contains, somehow I give the name candlestick power zone, right? Candlestick power zone that going to push price further, all right, because it has momentum to continue the current trend. The current trend is downtrend, so you can say this is the sell position. It has extra power to coming down, all right. And for the weekly, all right, for the weekly, this is really important. You need to look on this. For the weekly part, you see where is the weekly part, right? Busy floating because now already blue. Oh, that's why you come here, right? Sus are here. Where is this Buyong and Aziz? They say a lot of things about you, Sus, but Sus is busy with the politics, right? Buyong and Aziz need to know Sus is someone in Indonesia, right? It's not ordinary person, ordinary people, right? Sus said it think will be raised up to MA mirror. Yes, I also think it's also going up to MA mirror, but you need to understand this is the it has a push factor on the daily and push factor on the daily basis because of the CPZ1. So you need to have in your mindset that Sus already mentioned it's a MA mirror activated, but this is the first entry zone based on multi-angle understanding. All right, and then the second one, this is your entry zone. Basically, this is your entry zone area, right? It's already activated entry zone area. This is the range of your entry zone, right? The range of entry zone is most likely around 40 pip, right? 40 pips, right? So 40 pips. So for me, this is the entry zone, all right, for the GBPUSD, right? So GBPUSD, I'm not focusing on the sell right now. I'm focusing on the buy right now. If you have a buy positions, so you can do a stop loss profit, not merely focus on the sell area, because we need to always respect bigger time frame, right? You got this is a buy area. So when you do the trend line here, you can see if the trend line is a little bit break a trend line, but I think I'm going to stick on my plane based on the buy area. And this is the buy area as well. This is another one, because this is a MA on the MA on the monthly. So you have how much, right? Almost 170 pips. If the monthly push down because you want to entry on the monthly, then you're going to float like 200 pips. This is really important, where you need to clearly how to take position wisely, right? In this case, we look on the black line magnet. Is it 100 over? It's not yet 100 over. All right, for the daily, all right, how much the daily for the measurement for the black line is just 89 pips. All right, so in this case, I will go for Daigou first, and then so I'm going to less my risk is 0.01, but I'm going to buy later on the area, right? I'm going to buy later on the area, all right? So that's my plan, right? So major trend is buy positions, you see. Yes, we can say that, but depend on the if you are trading right now, you can say daily is buy positions and the monthly is sell position. So why I'm saying that, right? I'm going to open the new chart for you to understand this, right? I'm going to open chart for you to understand this, right? So you look on this is monthly, right? This is GBPUSD, right? Okay, this is GBPUSD, right? This is the monthly, right? So in this monthly, you can see the candlestick already, the nearest candlestick setup is here, is close price below the both of the moving average. So this is called the candlestick trend, because candlestick trend for daily, weekly and monthly is just need to close below the both of the MA, not additions with the middle band, right? So in this case, I can see this is a sell position, right? So for the monthly, you look on this, if you say this is the candlestick trend uptrend, you need to validate this candlestick trend, because it may contain a different angle on this, right? Because in this case, it's really contain different angle. What I mean contain different angle, it show candlestick trend, but when you look on the monthly basis, it's an entry zone for the MA mirror and for the candlestick trend EC. So basically in this case, in the major trend based on monthly and weekly is a downtrend, and daily is a downtrend, right? Daily trend. So if you say that you are selling now, you are following the major trend trading because of the factor of the CPZ1, and you wait just another 30 pips to have to make a buy position, all right? To buy position, you got this, all right? You got this. Little confusing. Why you are confusing? The good thing that we have the live training like this, because you can ask me question, I can have specific questions, specific answer to your questions. Yes, Tengku Isman, we want to look on the Euro USD itself as well. So say firstly it will confusing, there you go, but you will like it if you still learning baby master. Yes, of course. Major trend is selling. That's why I have a sell position right now. But for the short terms, I'm just for sell. But for the mid term, middle term, I'm gonna focus on the buy positions because of the weekly supports and the daily need to go up before coming down again. So this is a sell position, but I'm preferring buy after this. I sell for the short times, and I'm going to exit on this area, this around area, maybe like 10 pips from here. Yeah. So set itu masih Coach Jero buy the book there. Thank you, Sus, for your recommendations. Alright, got it? Got this? Alright, so in this case, I'm going to have sell positions, but I'm going to exit it in just a few minutes if it's profit, and then I'm going to focus on the buy position after this, right? Buy position. Because of this not BLM not activated yet, and then I'm going to, this is be container CPZ 1, and I'm going to have a buy position after this. I would like somebody to go to the course. Yes, please come, Daigo. That's very good. If I'm not mistaken, Daigo, you are in United States, in New York, I think. Is it right? Because I think you told me like, I don't know, last year in the group chat. Alright, so this is my position for the GBP USD, right? Okay, so I'm going to go for the another beam. That's cute, Fabim. You're now with your son waiting for him to birth. Oh, you're close to New York, alright. So Fabim said, I'm now with my son waiting for him to birth. You mean your little son? Oh, 1 hour. Yeah, it's close to New York, right? 1 hour is close. Not so close, but it's close. Yes, daily and weekly and a monthly is a higher time frame. That's right. Okay, so Tengku Isman said he wants for the Euro USD analysis, right? Euro USD analysis. Fabim is good father. Indeed, I can say it's good father. You know, waiting for his son first, and then you know, focusing on the live trading sessions. That's cute. That's cute. Really cute. All right. So we're gonna for Euro USD. All right, you're gonna see Euro USD. Now I have my sell limit, but apparently it's not hit my sell limit, but it's okay. All right. Alright, so for the Euro USD, I can see it's most likely it's same with the GBP USD as well. But the thing you need to understand that always look carefully on each time frame, right? Always look carefully on each time frame. You need to have a checklist or validate each time frame based on what you already learned from me, alright? Learn from me. Alright, for the monthly itself, you can see this is a major trend trading. You always do this, it's going to take just a few seconds, millisecond I guess. And the candlestick is sideways. You can see the sideways on the weekly. The Euro USD candlestick is sideways on the weekly, so it's up and down. It's basically practically is hit from up and down. That's why MA mirror is really important. That's why SUS always focus on the MA mirror. All right, in daily case, you can see this is a, I think this is a bull candlestick, right? What I mean by bull candlestick is a huge candlestick right there. It most likely like just a 60. I thought it's more higher. That's funny. Okay, so in this case, you need to look on the last candlestick close price. To up here is like 60 pips, so it's not activate black line yet. So practically this is a sell position, and this is also CPZ. You can see the open price here has gap between the nearest MA. I think this is the good entry position for today. Short on the Euro USD. For the H4, you look on this. This is a candlestick close price, the last candlestick close price. You don't take on the wick or tail. You focus on the candlestick close price, and then you look up. It's just only merely 48 pips. All right, it's not so strong. This is the setup that usually form because the H4 want to do some sell positions. For me, I'm gonna, if I want to trade now, I will buy for the short term, and then I'm going to sell for the long term, right? For the midterm, sorry, for the midterm. For the long term, I'm going to wait around here because we need to respect big time frame. So if I have sell position, I'm going to exit near here, right? Yeah, welcome back. How old is your son, Fabian? How old is your son? Okay, so in this case, we just have like 20 pips to profits, right? If I'm going to leave this trade, I prefer on the buy positions, not the sell position, if I going to leave this trade. But if I'm going to look on this trading, I'm going to have a sell position around here, middle band. Middle band is my position to sell, right? My position. So I can wait. But in this case, we can say we can have the sell position first, a buy position first, and a sell later. Okay, this is a CPZ3. You can see this is a BB squeeze, BB flat, and the MA gonna cross out. Definitely, I think I'm gonna have sell position first, and then I'm going to buy later, right? I'm going to sell position first, but I'm going to exit around here. And my analysis and my estimation on the price movement that is going to coming down and go up after this for this area. All right, go after this and go for that area. So at least around here. All right, this is my predictions. All right, so I'm going to have sell position here. I'm going to buy here, and you can see here, and then I look on the next week where is our positions. All right. So you clear, Tengku. What's the name again? Tengku. Somehow Tengku Azman, I guess. Tengku. Which Tengku? Tengku Izman. Right, Tengku Izman. All right, you clear on this dollar, euro, USD, dollar, euro, dollar, right? Euro, dollar. So this is my positions. 10 months tomorrow. Daigo, happy birthday month. 10 months. All right. My youngest is right now 7 months. My youngest 7 months. You're 10 months. So that means we are the same age. We have a son at same age, right? Okay. So we're gonna have to look on the dollar cat. Right? We're gonna take a new chart. I'm trying to slow my pace, right? I'm trying to slow my pace because I want you get to understand one by one, right? One by one, right? One by one. That's really important. Okay, one by one. Okay. All right. So this is the dollar cat, right? This is the dollar cat. You can see in the H1 is the BB squeezing, so that means they will go for the entry on the H4. But the H4, the entry zone looks like it's going up, but you need to validate this candlestick trend. Look on the daily. Daily is a sell positions. All right. So it doesn't mean it's going to have buy positions. Weekly is here for the MA mirror. Okay. And then for the monthly also is near the MA mirror. So what decision we are going to make? You can see this is the consolidations, right? This is the sideway on the weekly. I think you can focus on this sideway volatility, right? You can focus on the sideway volatility. You can see from the H4, you can see from the daily is a sideway volatility, right? Understand this? So in this case, you need to know that this is a sideway volatility, and then this is the obviously on the weekly you can see this is is creating the triangle, right? So you need to understand that the price is want to make a breakout. All right, breakout or breakdown. Breakout going to uptrend and breakdown going to downtrend. So particularly I think the price is ranging, so you can do a buy and sell position based on weekly daily positions, right? In this case I'm going to focus on the sell position for the dollar CAD, but H1 doesn't allow this. You can see it doesn't show any candlestick continuation, candlestick trend here. But in this case you can see on the M33 minutes is a sell positions. So it's a good thing that you can have a sell position for the dollar CAD compared to buy position in the short terms. All right. Fizmi said, I'm also buying around your price push, then I'm seeing it sell for larger movements. Fizmi, you are referring to which pairs? Which pairs you are referring to? You're referring to my current chart dollar CAD, or you are referring before charts? Referring to the chart before? Dollar Euro USD or pound USD? All right. So in this case, I'd rather stay away from the, because I can see this is a sideway. But if you want to sell, if you want to trade now, I would like to have the sell positions, right? Sell position. But I can see this is a sideway, right? This is a sideway, so I don't think the price is going to move. I'm going to avoid this trading for today. I'm going to avoid the trading today. I'm going to avoid trading today for the dollar CAD, right? For the dollar CAD. Understand? Basically, this is the today is Friday, so I don't want to say that Friday is not good day trading, but this is the last day, right? I don't focus on the trading much on the Friday. I'm focusing on the trading time is on the Tuesday to Thursday, right? I don't have any specific reason why that. It's just because I seems more have good state, I guess, or maybe good focus, because Monday I'm going to analyze the market, and on the Tuesday, you already hit up because of the you look on the market on the Monday, and then Thursday is fair enough because Friday or early morning of Thursday or early morning of Friday, then the market will have significant move, right? Yeah, many holiday today. True. Yes, good, very good. Yes, you always use good money management, brother Fitmi. All right, that's good. That's very good. All right. All right, we're going to give you some example, more example. So some of our friends said, what about dollar CHF? I think I'm selling dollar CHF. I just started selling last night for dollar CHF, right? We go for the basics. This is Euro USD, dollar CHF. All right. For dollar CHF, I'm going to finish here. For the dollar CHF, you can see this is the sideway, right? The huge sideway based on the monthly, and the trend is uptrend. You can see this is a trend uptrend. So in this case, you know this is uptrend, and you're going to wait for sell position sheet there. And the price seems like go higher and push higher, but I have a sell position on top here because of the understanding that the price already hit the weekly upper bands, right? So this is the weekly upper band. I hope you can see this is weekly upper band. And for the daily, it still has the, you know, this is I think I'm going to have a floating position for the dollar CHF here. All right, so in this case it may go up. And for H4, all right, for the H4, you can see you can measure either the black line is activate, right? From here to here is 100 pip. That's why I'm comfortably have one position for sell positions here. And then for weekly is almost 150. For daily, almost 150 pips. So I'm comfortably have a sell position based on black line magnet, and because of the top Bollinger Band. So in this case, I will you know, guarded my sell 0.012 is 20 cents for sell positions, but it may go up a little bit higher because it has some kind of power zone here. It's creating power zone because the gap between the open price and the MA. But I will somehow hold my position for sell because of the black line magnet based on the H4 and daily, and based on the weekly upper band. All right, the upper band. Oh, Fabi said that it was you. All right, good. So I'm focused on this. All right, good. Got this? Got this? All right, that's good. That's good. Okay. That's good. All right, I'm going to send my some of the brokerage. Right, I'm going to send you some of the brokerage review a bit here. Right, I'm going to send you brokerage review a bit here. Wait, I need to confirm this first. Right? Oh, it's opening new windows. No, it's a new browser, so it's gonna may take a few seconds. Oh no, it's opening here. Okay, it's opening here. All right, I'm going to give you some broker review. Right, this is FBS, right? This is FBS. Practically, you can see this is the in Malays. So this is FBS mine, FBS.mine. This is the one of the broker that you know, you can rely on, because it's a bigger platform and is founded in 2009. It means that it's already 1 decade, right? So it has 10 successful year in this broker. So really important that you choose brokerage, right? The right brokerage. So this is a worldwide broker. So I'm not sure in United States that you can have option to open forex trading. I don't know, some of broker is not regulated in the forex trading, some of the brokers, but it's depending on which brokers. In this case, this is the one of the broker that, you know, has also numerous international awards, right? Numerous international awards. You can see this is about the forex broker, right? So the best forex broker in Asia, South Asia, and more than 27 awards. So why I'm saying this? That's really important to you have a very specific broker, right? Very specific broker that can help you. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to review this FBS online forex broker, right? So it's a worldwide. If you're in Malaysia, then you can use this as the one of the part of your trading. You can open the account on the broker. So if you have problem in Malay language, this is a multilingual website, right? Multilingual. You can change here in any language. You can change to English, let's say, and then it's all in English, right? It has good reputation for 190 countries present and almost 12 million traders, right? 12 million traders. All right. So for me, this is one of the good brokerage, I think. Then I'm going to trade soon with the FBS online broker as well. All right. So said FBS is a good and recommended broker, right? You are using this brokerage, Sus? You like 100 bonus and leverage. All right, that's very good, very good. All right. So if you have time, then you can visit this through the link that I've given to you. The link is meant to be that I know you are tracking from me to come here, right? That means I can track you the effectiveness of this, what I'm sharing with you. I mean that you taking this seriously, so you maybe can go for this broker as well, right? So you can change your whichever language that you would like to, right? So you have a different account: Standard Sense, Micro, Zero Spread, and ACN, right? I'm going to talk this time to time. I'm going to share with you time to time. And thank you so much for your Fabim in Brazil also said FBS is great, right? Yeah, it's quickly deposit and withdraw with many payment methods. That's good. That's really good. All right. So we have some recommendations here from Sus in Jakarta and Fabim from Brazil. Fabim also using FBS from Brazil. All right. So we have a multi-continental traders and using the same platforms. All right. That's great. Okay. All right, so that's it. So back to our trading. So you have any question on this? On my broker for hours, BLM is only 17 pips. Yes, basically, different broker is going to give a different range, right? Because it has different time that open, right? It's open the markets. It's not about the markets, it's the brokerage time to opens. So you may slightly differ, right? But I can check with you later. That's a good question, Fabio. That's a good question, right? That's a good question from you. All right. So that's it. Thank you so much for your time this morning, and hopefully can see you in my workshop or seminar in future. So tomorrow I have my Baby Master workshop for 2 days and 1 night. Yay! I can't wait to see whoever attended it. And hopefully can see you again, and I wish and I want you to live happily, you know, live better with the forex trading. All right, all the best. Thank you so much for your time, really appreciate. maybe you can ask your friend to join me in English sessions, because some of the subscribers that following me that have a problem, struggle in understanding Malay language. So hopefully this is English effort that I'm doing now going to help you a lot, right? Thank you so much. And all right, see you later. All right, so Fabian said also trade no active trader from London. All right, that's very good. We need to discuss on the broker itself, because broker is really important. We put our money in the broker, then we need to know how secure the broker and how, you know, efficient the broker for the withdrawal and deposit you know, method, right? Like the so say that really important for quickly deposit and withdraw with many payment methods. One of the options, right? One of the options. That's very good. So, right. So there you go. Thank you, Coach. Good vibe. Sure. Thank you to you too. You also bring good vibe, because you know every day you attend my practically I can see, literally I can see a class, right? My online class. Right. Thank you so much. So see you, and see you on this evening in Malay sessions, and see you later. I really appreciate your time and effort as well to join you every morning. So see you, and see you for the next week. All right. Goodbye.